we're gonna make some Polish crokiety. Nothing could have prepared me for how good this dish was. I mean, it was everything and then some. You see, I've been on a sauerkraut binge lately because they are packed with probiotics and great for your gut. So, when Old World Quality Foods reached out with their sauerkraut, I jumped on this crokiety recipe packed with mushrooms, onions, and sauerkraut. You want to saute the mushrooms, onions, and sauerkraut with some salt and pepper. Once the moisture is pretty much gone, we'll slam some butter in. For the wrap, use a crepe batter and make a thin sheet like this. Then add in loads of that mushroom filling, roll them up like this, then get them into an egg wash with some breadcrumbs. Shallow fry on both sides until golden brown, and just listen to that crunch. These had so much depth of flavors from the mushrooms and sauerkraut that I'm led to believe Polish food is highly underrated. That's the bomb. I don't know if this is the traditional way to eat it, but we're gonna take some of this Polish mustard. We are going to dab. Where have you been all my life? This is amazing. Cheers, guys.